What's up, guys? Another video today on a bike I have for sale here. So be sure and like and subscribe, and there's lots of cool shit I'm gonna be posting pretty soon. But here's a Husqurvana WR250. It has the 300 top end, pro circuit pipe. Pretty slick old bike. It's street legal Husky kit that actually, you know, is factory. So it's got all your signals and all your switches that are Husqvarna. It has the V4 spores and jetted Mikuni carb. Some kind of silencer on it, probably a pro circuit as well. But all this is a street legal kit that came from Husky. I actually use this for another bike, but I have another one that's new here that goes with it. I haven't installed, so anywho, it's street legal. Probably the best part about it. Not a lot of street legal two strokes in Texas, and I gotta stand her up straight or she'll drip a little fuel. I just put gas in it. I haven't ridden this thing in a while, and that's the one bad thing about kickstands. So you take this float and you adjust it as high as possible so she's not starving for fuel when you're ripping it on the highway. But then if you set it and it's not level and you have the fuel switch on, it's gonna drip a little bit. So I gotta just lean it against something instead of using my kickstand. I got your quarantine fix right here. I mean, this is all you need to make it, honestly, but whatever. Corona zombies aren't that fast, and a Husky can definitely get away from them. Just give her a choke. I haven't ridden this old girl in a minute. Somebody needs a good deal on this. Choke off already. Let it warm up a little bit. We'll set the camera up out here. That's fantastic. As you can see, it runs pretty fantastic. Some Excel wheels. Pro circuit pipe. Four sleeves, 300 top end. You guys be sure and like and subscribe. I'm gonna list a few more for sale. A lot of fun shit. So that one runs good. You can take her to the highway, take her out where you're not supposed to. You're not just limited to riding it in the woods. Because when it's street legal, then it's street legal. Remember that. Don't ever forget that.
Street